Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to post horizontal videos on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up TikTok application on your mobile phone. So I'm just opening up TikTok application first. So after opening up the TikTok application on your mobile phone, you have to just simply tap on the plus button to upload the video. So I'm just tapping on the plus button. So after tapping on the plus button, now here what you have to do is just simply go to the uploads button, which is below right corner. So after tapping on uploads, your phone gallery will be opened here. Here you have to just simply select that specific horizontal video here. I'm just selecting the first video which is horizontal and simply click on next. So you guys can see it is like horizontal video which is uploading, and you guys can see up at the above upper side and lower side there is a black screen. You guys can also add the text here in order to highlight the specific text, and you guys can just simply place it above or below. So after adding that, you have to just simply go to the next, and after tapping on next you have to simply add the specific description. So I'm just adding any specific description, and you guys have to simply adjust the privacy. I'm just adjusting the privacy and simply go to the post. So after posting, you guys can see it will take some time, and you guys can see the our private upload has been uploaded. So you guys can see our horizontal video has been posted on TikTok, and this is the way to upload the horizontal video on TikTok. And for the users can also just tap on the full screen mode to expand the video in vertical mode, and users can also watch in horizontal the video. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.